if you had to feed yourself in Mariposa or in an area like we're at, what would you eat? Would you grow rice? Would you grow wheat? Would you grow corn? What exactly would you grow? And my answer is a potato. And so we're going to take my potato fork and we're going to go doing a little experiment. So we're looking at one single potato plant. Because it has flowers on it, it's telling me the tubers are still growing. But let's suppose I want to eat some potatoes tonight. What's to stop me from digging it up? And the answer is nothing. The potatoes will be as numerous, but they're going to be a lot smaller, probably. So obviously I haven't done anything with this. This was actually, when you grow potatoes, you'll never find them all. This was actually a volunteer plant. I didn't even plant this thing. It volunteered in the right place. Uh-oh, look at there.
Yep.
I do like, by far.
Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, wow. Yep.
Nothing like a demonstration to show you what works, convince you. Now if we would have let this grow longer, we'd have more potatoes here. They'd be bigger.
Look at that. Yep, yeah, they're big too.
But we're not doing too bad the way we are.
No.
No, not too bad
Yeah.
for a volunteer
Yeah.
potato. Now, but here's an important thing that I've learned about potatoes. We're still doing good. This is the one that's the mother plant. You can see the color's a little bit wrong. So when you plant potatoes, don't ever cut them. Plant the biggest potato you can get because it'll make the biggest plant. People think they should cut them down and so on and so forth, and you could ration them out. You're better off just putting a whole uncut potato. The bigger, the better. Think of this as a gas tank. Which gas tank is bigger? Well, that one's bigger instead of this one. So
Right.
we'll plant that. This is even looks salvageable. If I had to eat it, I could.
Yeah.
So we even have more hiding in here.
Yeah. There you go.
There may be more down in here. I may look later. Oh, see here? Keep looking. You can find more. But I'm going to stop there. So that's, if you have to feed yourself, this is what to learn how to eat. They love mulch. They love fertilizer. They love that fertilizer in particular because of the sulfur that's in it. They particularly like a lot of sulfur. They also like a lot of nitrogen. That fertilizer is perfect. Pretty good looking crop, huh? Now you can see I have volunteers in places. You're almost standing on other volunteer plants. So there you go.